Alright folks, this is going to be a really fast video. PE is...
I'm tired! Hi guys, it's PE. Happy Friday. Okay, casual Friday. We're making this quick. What was today's theme? Summer. Spring.
Spring.
Okay,
Spring is in the air.
Yes, spring is in the air. Okay, I got this top from Salvation Army, I believe. Really cute. It's an Oski. I kind of just undid the buttons here, kind of make it a little like I'm doing something. These jeans are like my favorite because they're the ones that really fit me right now. They're my Calvin Klein jeans from Marshalls. These shoes, these giraffes, if you can believe that.
So cute.
I was so stuck on finding leopard that I found these giraffes at Marshalls and they were on clearance for 10 bucks.
I think giraffe should be the new leopard.
Yes, giraffe is in, ladies, giraffe. Bracelet, really simple today, savers. These earrings, were they from H&M?
Uh-huh.
Yes, H&M a while
They were like
back.
$1 or something, remember?
Yes, dirt cheap. And
Your belt?
Oh, belt. This one was from Catholic Charities. It was like a dime.
That's cute.
Really cute. This purse I got at this consignment store. It's Latisse. It's really cute, purple.
It's like a suede and leather.
Yeah, it's like leather and suede.
That's really cute.
It was a must-have. It was like $5, so I grabbed
I don't know
it.
if you guys have noticed, but everything she has is a must-have.
It's a must.
Which is why we're here at Thrifters Anonymous.
Yes, so happy Friday. Here's my casual introduction to spring. Oh, I'm starting to feel better. I'm like, ugh.
I know you are.
Okay, back to Shayna.
So, my dedication to spring was finally getting one of these mullet tops, or front low, high low, I don't know what you call
need it.
Anyways, I finally just picked it up. I had gone to Forever 21 to get workout clothes. I know Forever 21 has workout clothes. They didn't have the greatest stuff. I got a couple sports bras, but I saw this when I was there and I kind of had to have it.
Turn around.
And it's not thrifted. You know, it was kind of expensive. Anyways, it's got the
So cute.
long in the back, and I just love the coral stripe here, and it's sheer. I'm wearing a tank under here. If it wasn't work, I'd probably wear like a cute little, you know, like a something.
Calm down. Simma.
I probably wouldn't wear anything. No, just
They don't know you like that.
Anyways, it was like $17, so that's really not a lot. But for, you know, us thrifters, it's kind of pricey. Anyways,
Would you say $17?
$17.
Good God. All right.
I felt like it was a piece that could go formal, can go casual all year.
No, it's gorgeous. It's
So-
worth it. It's just, I never heard
know.
you haven't got anything for $17 in a long time.
I know.
All right, keep moving.
This bracelet is from Savers, thrifted a long time ago.
Cute.
This is from H&M, and this is from Jewel Mint.
Cute.
And then these earrings were from Hottie, just little studs. Came with like 30 for like $1.99.
Oh yeah, that's right.
And then these jeans, I know I haven't really been talking about my fitness and status yet, guys, but these are my skinny jeans. And I was too, like, they were kind of tight when I got them. So I was like, oh, these are perfect skinny jeans. Well, now I'm feeling really skinny in my skinny jeans, like for the first time ever. So that was really exciting. These are Forever 21, and they're thrifted. And then these shoes are from Marshalls. I can't remember the brand. And then my nail polish is a teal polish.
Nail polish.
I didn't do the best job of painting my toes.
They look great in the camera.
Yeah,
Played off.
Anyways, it's from the Kim Kardashian collection, I know.
Oh really?
Yeah, I got it at Target. It was $6. It was the Nicole color, and my favorite color is teal. Like, hands down, that was the color in my wedding. It's the color in my house. It's teal. Everything's teal.
Purse.
So, purse is from PE, actually, for my birthday, right?
Yes, it's an Enzo.
Enzo and Gione.
Cute.
And where'd you get it from? I can't remember. Marshalls?
Yes, Marshalls.
And it's probably one of my favorite purses. And the reason why I haven't worn it in so long is when I did get it, I wore it for a year.
She sure did, folks.
Anyways, I love it. It's blue inside.
Nice.
Favorite color. Anyway, so last but not least, one of you guys had a really good idea. I think it was
Mrs. Jones 150.
And she said to ask you guys what you guys would like us to style. So leave a comment in this video down below of anything that you guys want us to style. Okay, not anything. Nothing
Challenge.
ridiculous. we have to go to work, guys. So,
Yes.
but something, you know, like if it's neon again, or if it's an animal print, flowers, stripes, anything that you guys want us to style, and we'll try to style it with our thrifted items. Which
Or something in your closet you haven't
Yeah.
worn and you don't know how to wear. Maybe we might have it.
Yeah, ask us. I mean, if maybe you guys have something that you're like, okay, I don't know how to wear this. Like, I don't know, giraffe shoes.
Yes.
PE's had these for like a year, and she hasn't
Yes.
worn them. Why? Because she's like, I don't know what to wear these with. And you literally can wear anything with anything. So ask us away. Leave the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching.
Bye. Okay, my arm won't.
Oh.
Bye. Happy Friday.